Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro and we're going to see what's inside and what is the phone look like. This is the silver color, and this year the packaging is smaller than last year, mainly because there is no charger coming with this packaging, as well as there is no ear pods available. So let's see what's inside. It comes with a plastic packaging right here all the way around, and at the top here on the pictures, when you are purchasing this, you can see there should be an indent up here. So where you are purchasing the genuine device, the packaging around here on the pictures, there should be an indent, even an indent around kind of like the buttons right here. You can see it. There is an indent right there, you can see. So if you're getting the packaging and there's not an indent, just watch out. So here it is. So we can just open it up. So that is the plastic wrapping, and this is the phone inside. So it is facing down, and we can just lift it off. This is a silver one. Now normally I get the gold one, but this year the silver one looks quite nice. And here it is. So it's got the silent button, the volume up, volume down, and the side key or the power key. And this is the cover, the screen cover. So there is no kind of like screen protector, nothing on it. So let's take a look at the side. So it's kind of shiny. My camera's having a hard time focusing on it. So immediately you can see on the silver, it's showing the fingerprint right away. As soon as I put my hand on it, you can see there is a fingerprint right away. So the shiny looks kind of cool, but it's quite hard to keep it shiny. And that's the top right there. Camera, you got 3 cameras. This is the Pro version. If you're getting iPhone 12, there is only 2 cameras. The Pro, you get 3 cameras. Over here, 12 megapixels on the side button. Down here there is a charging port. So let's say designed by Apple. So instead of a earphone or earpods, now it's just a blank spot with a tiny weeny instructions. Even the instruction is really tiny, just a few pages. It's not much instructions, just safety handlings and yeah, just some basic stuff. Even the Apple logos now come in a small piece of plastic. Then you got a pin. So then you got the cables. So you got Lightning to USB-C. So let's just unpack this one as well. So quite disappointed that this year we don't get the ear pods and the charger. So no charger, meaning that you have to go out and buy another one. Now you can use last year's charger or an older charger that you have before. Just one thing though is that using an old charger, it might take quite a long time to charge up your device if that charger giving it a very low voltage or low output voltage. So then it might take you a long time to charge up your device. So that is something you want to keep in mind with using the old charger. So I'm trying to switch it on. So switching it on for the first time. It's very nice, beautiful. It's very beautiful device this time compared to last year. Okay, so here I got 2 charger. This is coming from an iPhone 11 Pro, last year's model, and this one here is from a very old device, probably an iPhone 5S or something like that. And you can see here, if I zoom in, you can see this one here, you got output of 3 amp. If I can get a focus on that. So there it is. It's a 3 amp right there, if you can see it. Somewhere around here, you can see it's a 3 amp. This one here, if we look at it, it's quite easy to see, 5 watt. and output of 1 amp. So if you are using this charger to charge up your iPhone 12 this year, it's going to take a while to charge up. So this is 3 times slower. So just bear in mind, if you suddenly use an older charger, it's going to take a long time if you don't use the correct output. So if you're going to buy a new charger, also be aware that make sure that you buy a fast charger with sufficient output so that you can charge up your phone quicker. And so that is everything inside the box for this year. Now this phone does feel a little bit quite heavy, but if you're holding up an iPhone 11 Pro, it does feel just slightly a little bit more heavier. It's just the feel. I don't know if it's just the metal bit around the edge make you feel like that. At the back, it's matted glass, so it's not gloss, it's just kind of like matted glass at the back. This one here is 189 grams, so quite light, and it's running on iOS 14. You got front and back cameras. They all have 12 megapixels. At the back here, you got 3 different cameras: wide, ultra wide, and telephoto camera. It can capture a video in 4K and has a processor, Apple Bionic 14. Now with the phone, you can get it in 128 gigabytes or 256, or even bigger, 512 gigabyte. And in terms of fingerprint, there is no fingerprint on the device, but you can use Face ID. So it has a lightning charging port, as well as your headphone or earphones going through the same charging port right here. There is no headphone jack on this one. Now the SIM tray is now sitting on the other side, on the left hand side instead of the right hand side. And again, there is only one single slot for one nano SIM card. There is also an optional to have another SIM card, but it's an eSIM, so you have to activate it within your device, an eSIM. And other special features with this device is that you can now use 5G to download faster. And so with 5G you can download quicker or browse the web quicker, watch video faster. There is wireless charging on the device with MagSafe capability. There is water resistance with this one, so if you happen to drop it in the water, it shouldn't get water damage with this device. The starting price for this device is $999 to buy it outright, so you don't need to go on a contract. And then if you go for 256 gigabyte, it will cost you an extra $100, $1,099. And then again, if you want to double the storage up to 512, the price will go up to $1,299. And this is an outright purchase price for this Apple iPhone 12 Pro. And yeah, I hope this is something that you like, and something that you probably consider getting. It looks quite nice so far. I haven't used it, but I have no doubt I'm going to enjoy this phone because it looks really nice. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.